Look at this green 1990 Oldsmobile Delta 88 with red interior. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this like plush red interior. What does that say? Body by Fisher. So obviously, I mean, it's on rims or wheels, but this thing's pretty sweet. Red interior. I kind of love that. Looks like someone put a steering wheel cover on it that's like crusted on here. I'm gonna pull that off and see what the original red oh yeah, look at that. Let's see if I can just rip. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Holding the phone. Oh yeah. I mean, it's pretty cracked up and stuff. I can see why they put a cover on it, but it has like this little orange. Did I break a nail? Oh my god, I'm gonna break my nail ripping this thing off. Yes, but look at that. Look at that steering wheel. Let's check out the pedals under there. Somebody left their sock here. Oh, look at those pedals. I love like the it's like floor mat out. It's a blue floor mat. It doesn't look like it belongs. No center console on this thing. It's pretty sweet. I mean, obviously, even if I could get it started, I can't drive it anywhere. Ashtray, looks like it was pretty well used. Got a auto reverse cassette deck. Look at that. It says Royal Broham, is that what it says? Royal Broham? With the seatbelt on the door. Look at that. Red, oh, it's sticky. Red seatbelt. I mean, these seats are pretty killer. On the rearview mirror. I mean, it's definitely an old pick and pull for sure. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. And that like straight across speedometer, 113,002.7 miles. And there's the Oldsmobile 88. Pretty fancy. And then the green exterior. I think that's what makes this just such a, it just attracted me over here. It's like a green car. And then it's got this like red, you like cruise up on it and it's, I don't know if you can tell it, it's like a green metallic. In its heyday, this thing was probably pretty eye-catching, and then wow, look at that red interior. Amazing. Let's look at the front end. It's kind of sad that it's can't be rescued. Look at that. Look at that big bruiser coming down the road. An Olds 88. green with a red interior. Ouch!